We're at Lancaster University to look at this very issue. Psychologist Dr. Mark Levine is getting to the heart of why we do or don't help others.
If you ask people whether they'd help, nearly everybody says, of course I would, because we don't want to be seen as not caring for other people. But actually all the research says that by and large people don't help. They turn away. If there's any reason for not looking, they won't look.
Mark Levine has chosen football to look at this problem. In Britain, football represents one of the most powerful ways in which people divide themselves into us and them. The team strips mark their differences. He's used these strong allegiances to see how the tribal instinct can affect our ability to help or to turn a blind eye to others in need.
We wanted to show that it's when people feel that they have some kind of relationship to a stranger that they'd be more likely to help them. And football is a really good domain for doing this kind of thing because football fans feel powerful bonds to other football fans.
In the contest, James well out. Cole, oh dear, we can do without that. A little bit of trouble.
Dr. Levine chose one of the most intense rivalries, that between Manchester United and Liverpool. It's explosive, both on and off the pitch.
Well, the crowd have been warm in their rivalry and no more.
We took 4 secret cameras and a stuntman to the Lancaster campus to catch on film whether people will help a stranger in distress. All the unsuspecting test subjects will be Manchester United fans. The stuntman will fall in their path wearing either a Manchester United or a Liverpool strip. When will the fans play the Good Samaritan? First, our stuntman is in a Manchester United shirt as the Manchester United supporter approaches. A positive result. Even though it's raining, she helps her fellow fan into the building. Next we try the Liverpool strip. This Manchester United fan sees the fall, but sprints inside.
Here we go.
It's wearing a suit, looks very smart, carrying the questionnaire.
Back now in the Manchester shirt, our stuntman falls in front of another United supporter. Another positive result. The common bond overcomes any embarrassment or inconvenience. Back to the rival teams again. The Liverpool shirt goes back on. This Manchester United supporter hardly stops long enough to see if he's okay before disappearing into the building.
So what did you do?
I asked if he was okay. I didn't walk over, I asked if he was okay.
And one of the first things you noticed was he was wearing a Liverpool shirt?
Yeah. I think it was the red colour more than anything that draws me, and then I saw the letter. I thought, ooh. Should have left him.
Our stuntman fell in front of 12 Manchester United fans. He was helped to his feet every time he wore a United shirt. He was left to help himself every time he wore a Liverpool shirt. Dr. Mark Levine's ongoing research into the issue of bystander behaviour backs up the results of our small study.
On the one hand, the positive thing about this research is it demonstrates that when we feel ties to other people, then we're more likely to help them. The negative side of the research potentially suggests that when we see people as out-group members, as others, then we're less likely to go and help them than we might normally be.